How to change the language on your Amazon app. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change the language of your Amazon app. So to do that, first of all, open up the Amazon shopping app on your mobile device. And once you've done that, make sure you are logged into your Amazon account. Now once you're logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where on the bottom side of the screen you can see 4 different options. Tap on the last one, which looks like 3 lines. Simply tap on it and then you'll be taken to this page. Now scroll down and there you'll see the option named settings. Simply tap on it and then a drop down will appear where you'll have to tap on the option country and language. Now it will basically show you your country/region, your language, and finally your currency. Now in order to change your language, simply tap on the option language, and now you can change to any one of these languages right over here. For now I'll simply switch to Spanish. And once you've done that, simply tap on the option finalize, and there you have it. That is basically how you change the language on your Amazon app. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.